This video should introduce you to some of the benching capabilities in RoadEng. So what I've got here is I've got a pit and I'm designing a ramp that's coming out of the pit. And what I want to do is form a wall on the right hand side with benches that match my existing bench configuration. So in order to do that, I'm going to go into templates and I'm going to go to the E library and I'm going to bring in our slopes component folder, overwrite the existing one. We'll have a look and you'll see inside here there are a lot of components. Two of them here are of interest. One is called benches 6 and it will produce benches at offsets from the alignment. So these benches are dependent on where the alignment is, and they're simply offset, vertical offset and then horizontal offset for the bench. Now that's one type of bench that can be useful for geotechnical reasons or other wall stability issues. But we have another component that is more suited for open pit mines, and that's called flat benches. And that works a little bit differently in that the bench elevation is set based on a parameter in the template called bench datum and another parameter called a bench height. So in this case, I've got a bench datum of 100, bench height of 10. I would expect to see benches at integer offsets from 100 at intervals of 10. So let's just go ahead and I've actually pre-prepared it. I've created a template with that in it, and that component is there on the right side. It's called benches flat. You can just go ahead. I'm going to assign that component template to my entire road. Go ahead and update that. And you'll see that we've formed now benches that are coming off of our road. And they're also, you'll notice that the benches join in. They transition into the road as the road comes out of the pit. And the grade of the road is not constant. You can see that here in my profile window. I've got a constant 6.3% grade coming out of the pit. So that very briefly just introduces you to some of the bench capabilities. There's lots more to explore in there. There's lots of other parameters and options you probably want to have a look at.